This video will guide you how to set the printer ready to print. This is USB cable. This end connect to the computer. The other end connect to the printer. Let me turn on. Đây.
这个应该没有分。
When you turn on the printer and connect the printer to the computer, you will find two Epson port, the print port. Please check which one is ready to print. You can see the copy one is ready to print, so this one will be the correct port. And then we connect the dongle key. This dongle key is for rounding the software. Must be always connected. Let's open the software and then we select the correct port from the printer. Please select the copy one. And now we show you how to charge ink for the new print from the copy one, and then select the printing preference maintenance. For the new machine, we must do the power ink flushing from here. When you do the power ink flushing, you can please check here if have the ink coming out from with the tube. If not, you must use this syringe to suck out the ink from with the tube. After finishing the power ink flushing, if still cannot see the ink coming out from the with the bottom, after suck out the ink, you must do the head cleaning again. Head cleaning is finished. Before we print the nose track pattern, we must stick the photo paper on the tray. Please move up the train to the max.
Can you?
Here cannot move up anymore. Press this Alt button to move back. When we click to print the pattern,
Kim cũng là sự ở bên
you can see the color is perfect. This is yellow, black to white, red, blue, and a text. The printer is ready.